Hello and welcome to Easy Projects. So this is just a quick follow-up video to my microphone project. In my last video I came up with a circuit so I could use this clip-on microphone with my camera. And I went ahead and built the circuit on a small circuit board. And added a proper plug to it. And also a receiving socket for the microphone jack. So inside this clip-on microphone we have one of these electret condenser microphone capsules. And I found that the audio quality was not as good as I wanted, so I went ahead and bought some of these Panasonic electret condenser microphones. And these are only 6.3mm, I think the others are 9mm. I chose to stick with a coin cell battery because I don't think this will draw a huge amount of current, so it's easier to fit one of these in instead of the AA battery I was using in the last video. And as I said previously, the main purpose of building this circuit is because when I use the built-in microphone, the noise from the scope and the power supply is really loud on the audio track, and I hope I could do something about that. So let's try and see if this works. Until now I have been recording with the built-in microphone in the camera, and I will try to turn on the power supply and the scope. And hopefully that's a little noisy, and we'll try to plug in the external microphone, and that will hopefully be a little bit better. So let me turn these off again. And I have now switched to the external microphone, and let me try to turn on the scope and the supply again. And now I'm hoping that the noise has been reduced a little, but I won't know until I edit the video. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but for some reason the camera did not record the audio after I checked the previous files in the computer. But I'll just make an overlay of the audio here. But after I figured out that the audio with the external microphone, if anything, were actually worse than with the built-in microphone, I got a little pissed off. And as a last attempt, I would try to mount a smaller Panasonic microphone into the clip-on microphone. And now I guess everything that's left is to test if this is any better. So I'll try to turn on the scope and the power supply again. And I'll leave it up to you to judge if this is better than the other, but I'll find out myself when I edit the video. And thanks for watching this one, and see ya. Well, I couldn't just leave it there because this thing is just a complete fail, and at least it's good for one thing.